Guys. Ah! Ew! Get that on camera with you. Coming up. Coming up.
Wait.
My makeup's all messed up. You're standing on my hair. Ow! You're standing on my hair.
Really?
Well, you were. Ow! Oh my god! You were standing on.
Hurt that bad.
Ow! Did you know you were standing on my hair when you did that? You're such an ass.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god! Ow!
Does it stand? Cool.
But it's like, I need something to make it like stay, because when I do videos it goes like that, and I don't know why it won't stay. It makes me mad. Oh shit!
Would you break it? I heard a
I think
snap.
so.
If it gets from this angle.
Oh, this isn't even mine!
That
I'm
sucks.
spraying
You're
here.
just gonna fucking
No, 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 no.
Kidding, kidding.
How did it break? Oh shit! Great! Well, no, man, that I broke it. This is really pissed.